apart because we think it might be the problem, or just take these screws out of the back of it. The Jeep, fixing the blower box, and we're fixing the death chair.
Day 2, what's up?
We're going back, we're gonna pull the carpet out. We gotta pull right here this amplifier out, and then we can pull it up and see why it's leaking.
Nice. Okay, so we had a bit of a problem with water under the mat. So actually bigger than a bit of a problem, a lot of a problem. And there's these vents up top here. There's one on each corner on this Cherokee. You can see it kind of in there. Anyhow, I ran a piece of wire down there trying to unplug it. Piece of wire. And look what we found. I just punched a hole in my drain. I thought, man, this goes down. I thought it was going down inside here. No, it goes on the outside here in this little tube. So word to the wise, if you want to drain those, empty them. Don't push too hard. You do some damage and it creates trouble. So that's what it looks like, the drain that comes from the sunroof out of the car and that gets clogged sometimes. It's a little plastic tube that goes into that rubber fitting from the drain port, and it's glued in place. So we're going to see if we got a pipe that'll fit that. Just wanted to show you this. Here's the other end of the vent. It just goes through the floor. So we found some big fat heavy line. We're going to replace the whole thing. Okay, here we go.
So how big is that hose on the inside then?
I've already found a hose to match it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Well,
So that's the problem we were having. We put some hydraulic line on instead, and we ran it all the way down, new line through the dash. It comes out and it's tied in here with a proper hose clamp that wasn't hose clamped last time, and hopefully that fixes that leak problem.
I'm gonna put 2 seats back in, 1, 2 for me and my dad, and then we're gonna fill up all of this trim we have lying around, and it's all just gonna go back here nice and tidy for now, and then we're gonna come back later with when all the carpet here is dried out. We're gonna put on the forklift up in the air. When all this carpet's dried out, we're gonna come back, put it in, and finish it up. That's it for part 1. Thanks for watching.